day everybody, welcome back to the Budget Bartender. Today I am going to be making a riff on a very popular cocktail. So I'm going to be making a riff on a Amaretto Sour, but instead of just using Amaretto, I'm going to add rum to it. So how did this cocktail come to be? As far as I know, and the research that I've done on it, I couldn't find a cocktail that just did Amaretto and rum. Some of the ones that I've seen, they had an apple juice and orange juice and all kinds of juices and stuff like that. But mine is pretty much just an Amaretto Sour, and you're just adding rum. So you're going to use half Amaretto, half rum, lime juice, and simple syrup. So how this came to be was over Thanksgiving holiday, we were drinking Amaretto Sours, and then my wife suggested for the next one that I made for her, she wanted to try it with spiced rum. So made it for her. She really enjoyed it. I'm not a big spiced rum fan, so I just went with one of my favorite rums, which was Baku rum, white rum. And to me, it was very delicious. It just added a whole new flavor profile to the drink. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So we are going to be using Amaretto liqueur. I'm going to be using Baku white rum, just a 3-year rum, lemon juice, and I am also going to be using Demerara Syrup. So I made this for my cocktail I did last week, but I had a ton of it left, so I'm just trying to use this up, so I decided to add this to it. And this added such a great flavor to it also. This is a very simple cocktail. We're going to shake it and just dump it in a cocktail glass. Yeah, let's get to making it, and hope you enjoy it. All right, so let's get our shaking tin, and we're going to do 1 ounce of Amaretto. Try not to cover up the labels this time. One ounce of the Baku 3-year-old. One ounce of lemon juice. And this is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then do 3/4 of an ounce of the Demerara syrup. This is the rich Demerara syrup, so it's 2 to 1. Okay, let's add some ice. Now let's shake. Let's get our old-fashioned glass. Let's pour it in. And here you go. Oh yeah, that's the other part of the story I forgot to tell you. So my son had just christened this drink the Rumaretto Sour. So that's what I'm gonna call it, the Rumaretto Sour. So cheers. That, my friend, is amazing. So you get the Amaretto, which is the nutty sweet flavor, and you also get the rum flavor, hint of the lemon juice, and the Demerara syrup. Just sort of, to me, it's sort of like it holds the bottom. You know, it's like a bass guitar in a band, you know, carries the bottom of the drink. That is just so amazing, so good. Really enjoyed this one. I'm glad we came across it, or, you know, decided to try this. I'm sure you probably can try it with a dark rum, or I don't know about a Jamaican rum, but maybe if you mix your rums, do 1/2 ounce Jamaican rum, 1/2 ounce a dark rum. But yeah, this is a delicious drink. Very good, very good. Yeah, the Rumaretto Sour. Let me know what you think. Give it a shot. Let me know the rums you use, and let me know how you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments, Questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and tinkle the bell. That way you'll know when I release another video. The Rumaretto Sour, delicious. Yeah, everybody, have a great day. I'll see you next week. Take care.